Welcome to the channel, everyone. We're here in Manchester on another mooch around. Straight away you can see some of the tents that are about. So yeah, we're just going to have a mooch around with it's all the Hugo. The Sazzy's way. As soon as we were walking past, we thought we'd come and see it. The Stay City Migrant Hotel. And as you can see, more tents than last time, all the way down there. Up there, from what I understand, these are the guys that have been kicked out of the hotel. Yeah, they go on to lockdown when we come round here. As you can see, the tents come all the way around.
Is there anything you can do to get rid of them or anything like that? Is this not like
I'm not really. Obviously, it's just a street, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, because it's a public place.
To do with it. I don't really know.
Do you get any trouble off them trying to come in? Or?
No, not at all.
It's just a bit of a weird one though, isn't it, with the hotel being so close behind it? Not necessarily the tents, but obviously when you've got like young girls coming out of here and maybe walking that way. Anyways, no worries, mate. We'll leave you.
Yeah. So I don't know if the mic picks it up. He didn't want to really talk on camera about it. Well, this is what you have to deal with walking up Market Street at Christmas. We've got It's Only Hugo here. How do you feel, Hugo, about the Christmas markets?
I ain't got time to think about it because everyone's walking so fucking slow.
Special edition. You can see we've got the TAU units doing the patrols, keeping the streets safe. So we're about to go to the notorious Cottages Cove. We're entering the cove. Jermaine unfiltered at the front. It's Only Hugo. Up. Yeah, people come down here for nefarious reasons. We definitely interrupted. We definitely interrupted him. And it stinks down here as well. And this is just a normal canal route that people take. Around the city. Definitely smoking something. So there you go, we just saw 3 characters there, all got on the toes a little bit. But if you look at the state of it, why would you want to come down here? And this is just a normal route that people could, walk the kids on the canal, nice walk out during the day, and then you're going to stumble across things like that. But people come down here to do drugs and also engage in sexual acts, which, you shouldn't be doing in public. This is only the second time I've ever wandered down here. I mean, look at it. Total darkness.
How's it going, mate? You okay?
Oh. Hello, mate.
The police stopped then and talked to him.
She's walking very close to us.
I thought he was going to get out for him then. He just come out of there and then he seen the police and got back in. So we're on Spear Street. I should have listened when they said I couldn't have a piece and have my cake. It's a bit random. Yeah, he's pissed, isn't he? I think he's just had too many sherbets, guys.
like really strongly.
Of what?
Whatever's come out his arse, I guess. Step forward, step forward. Step forward.
So we've got the travel safe support and enforcement officers that have come here and speaking to the paramedics. But yeah, I believe he was intoxicated more than likely, and some concerned passers-by phoned the ambulance basically. So we've just heard some sirens. Hugo's gone running up. See what happens. Where'd the police go, mate? Nice one, bro. Hugo! Hugo! I just asked that guy. We went in the cafe over there. So they sat down over there in the corner having a conversation. So it's been an argument and they're just talking it out. You were talking to him. So what's happened?
I'm not telling you. No, basically the guy that the police are talking to there in the corner has come sprinting through the door saying I need help, I'm being chased and threatened. Some guys have then arrived at the door saying, why have you let him in, get him out here, and apparently they're threatening to stab him.
What, and them guys have gone, who's threatened?
It looks that way, yeah. With the police coming, I'd imagine they've scarfed him.
Right, yeah, so yeah, they're talking to the victim basically. They're talking to the victim in there. So Hugo went and investigated, did his investigative journalism. So go over to It's Only Hugo. Best journalist, second best.
Compared to Abandoned Landscapes, if you aren't subscribed now, you're a fucking dickhead.
Kicking off.
Excuse me? Get out of the fucking car then! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Come on! Fucking get out of the fucking car! How could I? You're being racist! No, I haven't. You just called me a white pig, you idiot! You just got. Look, this records. This records. Yeah, you lose your license today. Yeah, get you to fucking move. Fucking idiot. Learn to drive. Fucking knobhead. Tell yourself, if you don't move from here, I'll fucking kick your ass.
Gotta love Manny. It was Manchester yet again. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like for us please, and if you're new, subscribe and we'll bring you more content. Until next time.